Streams play a crucial role in supporting ecosystems and communities. They promote biodiversity, enhance water quality, and even help regulate flooding. Unfortunately, throughout our history, many streams were straightened and lined with concrete to accommodate growing cities. This approach, which is now largely abandoned, led to increased erosion, poor water quality, and a loss of vital habitat for fish and wildlife. Many of these concrete-lined channels are now at the end of their life and are beginning to fail, significantly increasing the risk of flooding. Natural channel design is a proven solution for restoring these failing streams. By using natural materials like wood, rock, and vegetation, we can restore streams back to their natural form and function. One of the major goals of natural channel design is reconnecting streams to their floodplain. A properly functioning floodplain works in tandem with the stream to reduce the floodline by holding more water during storm events, improve water quality, improve fish and wildlife habitat, increase natural cover by planting of native trees and shrubs, and improve green space connectivity. For over 50 years, TRCA has been a leader in stream restoration efforts and has implemented numerous natural channel design projects. We regularly partner with municipalities to restore kilometers of stream each year. Ultimately, all streams in our jurisdiction drain into Lake Ontario. Restoring natural systems in the GTA has a direct influence on water quality and habitat throughout the watersheds and along the waterfront. TRCA's ecological restoration programs are essential to maintaining a robust and resilient natural system that can benefit human health and well-being, especially as the GTA continues to experience pressures from growth and climate change.